Artofspeedd.
What up, good people? Today we're unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Bud 3 Pro. So first things first, we're gonna turn around with the label off. Dang, hold on. God dang. Alright, cool. Now we got it. So in the box, you have Samsung and boom. Inside of here, in the sleeve, you got your quick starter guide right here with your terms and condition. I'm gonna be honest with you, I ain't gonna read this, but this is basically all the information. Boom, boom, boom. This nothing. And then you have your cord, your charging cord right here. This is the type C. And then it tells you how to your perfect fit. Boom. Then inside of there is your headphones. This is the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Bud 3 Pro. This is nice, and look at it. Okay, little clear case to give you that AirPods type deal. Samsung, what are you doing? I'm gonna be honest with you, Samsung, what are you doing? This is why I like you, because you are unique and you do not look like the competitor. But now you're giving off Apple vibes. You know what I'm saying? It's okay to bite a little bit, but this is looking a little bit more Apple type deal. So yeah.